In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Canva to access your microphone and camera following the full 2025 guide. This tutorial will help you easily configure your settings so you can enhance your creative projects with audio and video elements. Having the correct settings ensures your tools work smoothly, and today I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and precision. First, you want to open Canva on your preferred web browser. This is the starting point where all the magic happens. Simply type canva.com into your search bar and you'll be transported into Canva's creative playground. Once you're there, it's important to have any design project open, as this is where the integrations with the camera and microphone often come into play. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of your browser, where you'll find the URL bar. You'll notice a small icon located right beside the URL. This icon looks like a lock or sometimes a simple information symbol depending on your browser. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu which provides you immediate access to settings specific to Canva. From here, look for the option that says Site Settings within that menu. It should be quite visible. Selecting Site Settings will lead you to a new tab which details all the permissions and settings associated with Canva. At this point, you'll be shown a list of options, but we're focusing on two specific ones today: camera and microphone. Typically, they are listed quite conspicuously to make this process seamless. Click on the camera section first. You'll see an option to allow or block camera access. Make sure this is set to allow. This setting is crucial because it permits Canva to access your device's camera, enabling you to insert video clips seamlessly. Next, navigate to the microphone setting and, just like you did with the camera, set the microphone option to allow. Authorizing microphone access is particularly important if you plan to add voiceovers or any other audio components directly within Canva. Once you've adjusted both of these settings, you can close this tab. You may think you're done, but there's one final step to ensure everything takes effect. Refresh your Canva tab. By refreshing, you're allowing Canva to fully integrate with the new settings you've authorized, ensuring your next project is equipped with full audio and video capabilities. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Canva to use your microphone and camera, enhancing your capacity to create even more dynamic designs. If you follow these steps, your projects are now primed for more interactive content. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Canva tips.